Hey everyone, welcome back to A-Spec Auto. I'm excited to share with you a repair project on a 2018 Honda Civic. Today we'll be tackling the rear quarter panel, replacing the front fender, and repairing the bonnet. Now let's dive into the details. The first step is to remove the rear quarter panel mud guard, which is quite a complex process. We'll need to disconnect the clips, and then we'll be able to remove the dents on the quarter panel.
Let's kick.
Next, we'll tackle the bonnet. This is a bit easier, as we only need to remove the headlight, the grille, and the fender itself. I hope you enjoyed this repair project. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Now it's time to apply the body filler to remove all dents and get the panel looking straight.
Yeah, no, it's just somebody else doing the same thing. He's like, I can only do